gotta be tough to take the high road when you play your heart out and still lose. Golden State's Draymond Green had the night of his life in Game 7 of the NBA Finals, but his Warriors still fell to the Cleveland Cavaliers. But even after an extremely heated series, which included a one-game suspension for Green, he was able to exercise good sportsmanship after the loss. Green pushed his way through the crowds to congratulate LeBron James on winning the championship, a true sign of mutual respect as the two competitors hugged it out.